CUET, Common University Entrance Test, for the academic session 2024-25 has opened its doors for aspiring students. The registration process commenced on February 27th, lasting until March 26th, providing a unique opportunity for candidates to apply for undergraduate programs. Noteworthy is the shift in examination format, as CUET UG 2024 will be conducted in a hybrid mode, combining both computer-based test, CBT, and traditional pen and paper methods. This change aims to enhance accessibility and flexibility for applicants. As a common screening test, successful candidates gain the chance to seek admission not only in central universities, but also in various participating institutions across the country. For further details on eligibility criteria, application procedures, and important dates, visit the official website at exams.nta.ac.in/CUET-UG/.